Hello to all new and experienced drivers. Today we have prepared another interesting and useful driving challenge for you. We'll break down this traffic situation step by step and explain the rule in simple words. Take a close look at the picture and answer this question. Is the driver of the white car required to use the left turn signal in this situation? Choose the correct answer. A. Yes, the driver must use the left turn signal. B. No, the driver does not need to signal. Before we reveal the answer, pause the video right now and write your choice in the comments. Let's see how many drivers can solve this one correctly. Also, don't forget to support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel for more driving challenges. Thank you. And now let's analyze the situation. So, we have an intersection where two vehicles are approaching. At this intersection, the white car is traveling on the priority road. As shown by the road signs, the priority road changes direction and continues to the left. The white car is following this road, while the black SUV is approaching from a side road. A common question among drivers in situations like this is, do you really need to turn on your left signal if you are simply continuing along the priority road? Many drivers believe the signal is unnecessary because they are not leaving the main road. They think, I'm just following the road, not making a turn. And it may seem logical at first. The driver is not changing lanes, not passing another vehicle, and not leaving the priority road. However, when analyzing this situation, we should not focus on which road has priority or how sharp the curve is. We need to look at the actual movement of the vehicle. Traffic rules require drivers to use turn signals before making a turn, changing lanes, entering traffic, or performing any maneuver where other road users need to understand their intentions. There is no exception that says you don't have to signal just because you are staying on the priority road. In this situation, the white car is physically turning left at an intersection. That means the driver must activate the left turn signal. The signal is important because it helps other road users understand what you are about to do. For example, the driver of the black SUV is waiting on the side road. Even though that driver must yield to traffic on the priority road, the turn signal helps them predict the white car's movement and evaluate the situation correctly. It is also important to understand the difference. If you are driving along a normal road that simply curves left or right, and there is no intersection, you do not need to signal just because the road bends. But when you are at an intersection and you actually make a turn, you must use your turn signal. In our case, the white car is making a left turn, even though it remains on the priority road. Therefore, the correct answer is, the driver must turn on the left turn signal. Congratulations to everyone who got this one right. Let us know in the comments if you chose the correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this driving challenge, please give the video a like and subscribe. We have many more interesting and useful road situations coming soon. Drive safely, stay alert, and see you in the next one.